那咱台湾寒甲特别冻袂调，伫咧欧洲嘛是受到强烈极地冷空气的影响，包含英国、匈牙利等等，拢伫咧落大雪。伫咧荷兰首都的斯基浦机场，也因为积雪，已经取消超过800个航班。另外，伫欧洲部分所在是咧落大雨、做大水，赶紧来替你民众。
欧洲上届无用的航空站之一阿姆斯特丹斯基浦机场，互大雪砍掉了，变作白茫茫的世界。机场1月7日宣布数百个航班取消，内底旅客客甲伫店，有人等甲伤忝，直接困伫咧涂骹。机场也赶紧设数百张行军床，也提供早顿。
I've got to fly today to Düsseldorf, and then they told me it was cancelled. I have to fly to Paris, and they told me it's cancelled. Come from the train, and they told me there's no train.
It's the third day today because I've been here since Sunday night. Horrible, to be honest.
除了航空、公路交通同款真热力，卡车伫咧高速公路打出去，吐西车速度真慢，荷兰公路差不多踏要700公里。也若伫咧苏格兰北部阿匹丁郡，甲即场大雪宣告是重大事件，学校甲托儿所连续3天拢停课。
Some of the main roads have been fairly difficult. Some of the side roads have been almost impassable. We get as far as we can, and then it means you might have to walk for a little bit to try and assist people who need your help.
欧洲中部国家匈牙利积雪是即几冬来上高的，动物园内底北极熊耍甲真欢喜，布达佩斯居民也欢喜出门咧耍雪。也毋过，即场强烈极地冷空气对巴尔干半岛带来大冲击。波斯尼亚甲赫塞哥维那首都塞拉耶夫通报过去48点钟落雪70公分，市区的交通咧要停去。
Our hands are freezing. I wasn't expecting it to be so high.
极地冷空气落南，搁落大水雨。蒙特内哥罗有人因为大水退离，目前冷气团也未登河，或者是高丽伫的风暴会侵袭英格兰南部。当局继续发布第2个等级的感染式警戒。公司新闻吴文玲编译。